High-protein meals are essential for muscle repair, growth, and overall health. Here are some delicious and nutritious high-protein meal ideas. Breakfast ideas: Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt parfait. 1. Greek yogurt, high in protein. Granola, fresh berries, blueberries, strawberries, drizzle of honey or chia seeds. Protein-packed omelette. Protein-packed omelette. 2. Eggs or egg whites, spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Shredded cheese. Optional: turkey bacon or smoked salmon on the side. Protein smoothie. Protein smoothie. 3. Protein powder, whey, pea, or plant-based, almond milk or Greek yogurt. Spinach or kale. Frozen banana or berries. Peanut butter or almond butter. Lunch ideas: grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken salad. 1. Grilled chicken breast. Mixed greens, spinach, arugula, kale, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado. Olive oil and lemon dressing. Quinoa bowl. Quinoa bowl. 2. Cooked quinoa, a complete protein. Black beans or chickpeas. Roasted vegetables, broccoli, sweet potatoes, grilled tofu or chicken tahini or salsa for flavor. Turkey or tuna wrap. Turkey or tuna wrap. 3. Whole grain tortilla. Sliced turkey or canned tuna, in water, hummus or avocado spread. Lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Dinner ideas: grilled salmon with vegetables. Grilled salmon with vegetables. 1. Salmon fillet, rich in protein and omega-3s. Steamed asparagus or broccoli. Quinoa or brown rice on the side. Beef or turkey stir-fry. Beef or turkey stir-fry. 2. Lean ground beef or turkey stir-fried with bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Soy sauce, garlic, and ginger for flavor. Serve over cauliflower rice or brown rice. Lentil and chickpea curry. Lentil and chickpea curry. 3. Lentils and chickpeas, plant-based protein, coconut milk, tomatoes, and curry spices. Serve with basmati rice or naan-bread. Snacks and sides: hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. 1. Easy to prepare and portable. Cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese with fruit. 2. Pair with pineapple, peaches, or berries. Protein bars. Protein bars. 3. Look for bars with minimal added sugar and at least 10 grams of protein. Edamame. Edamame. 4. Steamed and lightly salted soybeans. Roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas. 5. Crunchy and high in protein. Tips for high-protein meals include a protein source in every meal: meat, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, tofu, etc. Combine plant-based proteins, e.g., beans and rice, to create complete proteins. Use protein-rich ingredients like Greek yogurt, quinoa, and lentils. Opt for lean meats and avoid excessive saturated fats. Let me know if you'd like recipes for any of these ideas.